Hey Bobcats, it's come to our attention that students can make teachers disappear. Run, they're coming.
And now you're gone. My honey fell on you, and it was strong. Your wretched little life have all been cursed 'cause of all the witches working, and the worst I put a spell on you. And now you're mine. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. She's lying. If you don't believe, you better get superstitious. Ask my sister.
Good morning, Bobcats.
I'm Jaylyn.
And I'm Summer. Here's your daily bulletin for Friday, October 25th, 2024. The virtue of the week is helpfulness. The Dalai Lama teaches us that the more we take the welfare of others to heart and work for their benefit, the more benefit we derive for others. This is a fact that we can see.
College application season is here. Seniors who wish to go directly to a CSU or a UC need to apply by December 2nd. Keep in mind that PHS will reimburse the fee for up to 4 applications. Email Joanna Conway to get all the info on reimbursement. For those who are planning to attend Butte College, the Reg to Go program will continue next Monday, the 28th. Seniors should make sure they bring or know their social security number to complete registration for college.
Here's some more information concerning Butte College. Tara in the Career Center has organized a field trip to the Butte College Welding program on Thursday, November 7th from 8:45 to 11:30 a.m. This trip is for seniors only. See Tara upstairs in the Career Center to sign up. Finally, on Butte College, did you know that you can take many Butte College classes while you're still in high school? It's called concurrent enrollment and it's open to students in all grades. You do, however, have to follow the Butte College registration process. To take classes this spring, sign up by December 3rd. See your counselor for more information.
Along with college applications, seniors should start checking out the many scholarships that are available. The more time you find to apply for scholarships, the better chance you'll have of receiving money for college. One scholarship you can apply for is the Paradise Rotary Scholarship. Check it out at paradiserotary.org.
PUSD 6th graders from Cedarwood, Pine Ridge, and Paradise Ridge will be going to Shady Creek in the first week of December. And then the 6th grade teachers are recruiting juniors and seniors to serve as cabin leaders. This is a fun experience and looks great on your resume. Find the link on the print version of the bulletin to apply. If you have any questions, ask any 6th grade teacher or email Mr. Holman at gholman@pusdk12.org. Have you been thinking about learning to play guitar? Mr. Neves is now offering guitar class during 7th period from 3:30 to 4:20 daily. See him in room 401 to sign up. The Ridge Retreat has extended the deadline for their Red Ribbon Week poster contest to Thursday, Halloween Day. They have also updated the prizes, so the winner of the contest will have a choice between a wireless speaker, earbuds, portable charger, or a 32-ounce Stanley Ice Flow. Second place receives a Squishmallow, and third place receives a Ridge Retreat tumbler. The local artist and PHS alumni, Jess Mercer, has asked 100 local artists of all ages and skills to create art for a show at Chico's Manca Museum. The theme is celebrating the everyday hero. PHS has 15 student artists in the show. The art show will be on display from Halloween Day through November 10th with a free reception on November 10th from 3 to 6 p.m. Everyone is invited.
In sports, football is away this week at Pierce. Your last chance to see the Bobcats play at home this year will be November 1st against Winters, which will be senior night for football and cheer team.
And finally, in sports, the winter sports are starting up. All girls who want to play basketball this year should show up to the Green Gym Monday, October 28th at 4 p.m.
Hi, I'm Sequoia, and here's your patriotic message. On October 26, 1825, the first Erie Canal first opened. It was first navigable waterway connecting the Atlantic Ocean to the Great Lakes, and some people call it the first superhighway. In its heyday, the canal handled 33,000 commercial shipments a year, but over time a railroad and highways diverted most of the traffic. Today, the Erie Canal is mainly a destination for tourism and recreation, but it is ingrained into our national culture consciousness. The Erie touched almost every aspect of the 19th century America, and the canal reflected the society and the environment along its banks. Happy late birthday to Ethan Dixon
and Savannah Meeker.
Happy birthday today to Richard Opava.
Happy birthday on Sunday to Karen Chandler. Here's the joke of the day.
Hey Jalen,
What?
why did the bird get in trouble at school?
Why?
For tweeting on a test.
Have a great day, Bobcats, and rise up!